Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to change currency in Zoho Invoice. So let's get started. First, log into Zoho Books and head to the dashboard. Now click on the setting icon at the top right side and then select organization. Scroll down until you find currencies, then click on currencies and you will see the list of currency. Now if you have to edit anything, click on the edit option at the right side and a pop-up window will appear. Now here you are able to edit your currency, and after done with this, click on save. And if you are changing the base currency, be aware this impacts your reports and data. So that's it, your currency is now updated in Zoho Invoice. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.